Coming up later in this video.
This YouTuber, Katobi, said I should do smoke signals to contact him. Am I going to leave this in the video? I probably will. Whoa, my head fell off.
But first...
Hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. As you can see, I've already laid down the base. The canvas is flooded and already good to go, and I'm really liking a method where I put it on the paint to squeeze it on and then move the base around, and then I use the hairdryer to finish off the edges. It really does come up quite nicely, so I'm enjoying that. Then I'll put down 5 little puddles, like a five-sided dice, like the face of a 5, nope, like the, oh my goodness. Am I going to leave this in the video? I probably will. You know how a dice, there's like the number 5? That's the way I've laid that out. I don't know. What else we have today? So we've got the butter cream. We have violet. We have a flower petal I haven't actually put in what this, oh, flower purple is what I've called it. Sorry, flower purple, that's my own mixture. We've got light purple, another one of my own mixtures, and the pastel blue with the shade of purple. So I'm going to start off with the violet, and I'm just going to put down some violet there, some violet there, some violet there, there, and guess what? I'm going to put some there. You know, I can put a little bit there. All right, so this is the flower purple. Oh, that's a lovely color. It's going to blow out nicely. All right, so this is the light purple. I've really been enjoying experimenting with the colors too. This is so different for me. I'm loving it. Are you enjoying it? Let me know. Chuck comments in the comment section. You could send smoke signals if you are so inclined. Not that I'll read the smoke signals, but you could try. Yeah, if you cause a fire, it's not my fault, all right? This YouTuber, Katobi, said I should do smoke signals to contact him. My words aren't working. I'm too excited about this. Let's torch it. Oh, I've been really enjoying this experimentation and exploring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow in first and then out. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm looking at this, I'm almost completely happy. I just not a big fan of what's happened here. So let's see if I can fix that up like a pro, right? Like a pro. Here we go. Whoa, my head fell off. Oh no. Okay, let's try that again. I'm probably gonna have to just scrape that to clean it up. Yeah, paddle pop stick, popsicle stick, whatever you call it. try this again. It's a new experience for me, fixing up the canvas as I go, so you'll have to forgive me as I figure out what technique works the best for me. Oh, look at that. Oh no, I've made it worse. All right. Much better. Woohoo! I like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty. Do you want to have a look? Yeah, you want to have a look. Come on in. Come on in. Have a closer look. Now, there's no Floetrol in any of this. So this is just my paints and my pouring medium. I'm going to torch it in a second. I do torch these before I put them away to dry. This one's lovely. And I love experimenting with these colours. This was fun. Oh my goodness, how good is that? Hey, I like it. I think I might just quickly blow a little bit more here and then we'll be done. Yep, much happier with that. Just too much condensed blue on the edge, but I like the way it's feathering out. That is awesome. Oh, I love it. Okay, so torching. Promised I'd do that. Did I promise? I just said I would. Try and keep my word. You can keep my word. You know, download it or something. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching this portion of the video. In a moment, you'll see Katobi from the future doing the conversation part of our video, and you'll see this when it's varnished, which will be awesome. I can't wait to see this dry. No, just put the giraffe back in its cage. Look, the penguins are going to fight with it anyway. You can't stop. Oh, hi everyone. What do you reckon? It's pretty cool, hey? This one looks like a wisp flying away. This one looks like coming at you. This one's just dissipating. This one's exploded. And that one needs more coffee. I really enjoyed making this one. Yeah, I had my challenges right up here. Did you see what happened? Did you go back and watch that part of the video? If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I have the word tip come across the screen. You know, tip with a light globe. You saw it, you were watching. And what I did is I, for a second, lost my concentration, blew inwards instead of blowing outwards. Fatal mistake for that piece of the painting. The drafts will be all right. I love it. I absolutely love it. A lot of the times when I present these paintings to you, I can present them in a certain way and there's something abstract that I see in them. You can see 100 different things, I hope. But for this one, all I see is beautiful wisps, like dropping colour into water. I love it. I think that's really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this part of the video. Yes, I am wearing the same jumper I wore in the last two. There's a reason for that. You should get some merch. What?
The rhino got out!
No way. The rhino got out again?